there's two factors I wanted to sort of mention. One is the data foundation. For AI, data foundation is very important. One of the ways is that, I call it the maturity of an organization. Is an organization matured for doing AI? For that, we need a data foundation. So having the right data at the right place, with the right quality, with good governance and ownership and those sort of things is quite important. If you have that data foundation, then yes, you will get good value out of the AI. The outcomes will be good, and as well the cost will not be exorbitant because you do have the good quality of data. The second thing I wanted to say is on the synthetic data, which you just raised, Richard. That is the new thing that is coming up. There is a quite a for AI to be effective. It needs a lot of data. It needs we are talking about diversity. We wanted to make sure every section of the our globe is being represented, and so that means you need more and more data. But the challenge is it is very expensive to get the data, and it's very expensive to run with the data. Plus, it costs a lot to actually even get the data. So there is, because of all these limitations, we are getting with what we have, and that also influences the bias, and you're going into this vicious cycle. Synthetic data is also, a lot of industries are coming into it. It's like seeing yourself in a mirror. It is a digital way of replicating the real data, which has got all the key aspects that you would need in a real data, but it's just that human generated. It's less expensive, and more importantly, some of the challenges we face right now about privacy and data protection, and you talked about people are very resisting, hesitant to have the data moved out from, and all of these challenges. Plus, if you want to have a good representation of the data, diversified data, so that your AI models are performing well, then synthetic data is the way to go. In fact, I think every company, everyone should have this and start using synthetic data rather than looking for real world data. I think that's a solution, and it's becoming a big market now. A lot of vendors, a lot of providers out there are venturing into this one. But I'm quite happy that we are able to do this.